Welcome to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast, where we help you navigate the ins and outs of running your micro and small businesses, providing actionable insights and strategies to thrive. I am Dr. Karen Lowe, founder of Epigram Consulting Services. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us get the word out about building great micro and small businesses. Today, we are diving into a crucial marketing topic for any business owner looking to grow and thrive: the client-focused word-of-mouth referral process. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your business, understanding and leveraging referrals can significantly impact your success and profitability. This is a marketing tactic that is often ignored. For my doctoral dissertation, I interviewed quite a few business owners, successful ones as well as non-operational owners. Referral as a marketing tool was a popular theme, so I'm excited to dig into it. Grab a pen and paper and your favorite note-taking technology.
Let's go.
First things first. What exactly is a referral and what is a client-focused word-of-mouth referral system or process? A referral is a recommendation from someone who suggests your business, service, or product to another person, while a client-focused word-of-mouth referral specifically involves satisfied clients recommending your business to their network based on their positive experiences. Simply put, it is a system you create and follow to encourage your satisfied clients to spread the word about your business to others. It is all about making it easy and natural for your happy clients to refer their friends, family, and colleagues to you. Word of mouth referrals are incredibly powerful because they come from trusted sources, making new clients more likely to choose your business over others. It ensures your Google reviews are high. While we are looking at client-focused referrals today, it is important to note there are other types of referral systems. For example, online and influencer referrals, business partnership referrals, employee referrals, and so on. We are not looking at those today. Let us break down how to implement a client-focused word-of-mouth referral system in your business. Number one. This might seem obvious, but the first step in getting referrals is to provide exceptional service. When your clients are thrilled with your offerings, they are naturally more inclined to tell others about it. Remember, your job is to create value for your clients. Here are some ways to ensure you are delivering outstanding service. Take the time to understand what your clients need and want. This involves active listening and asking the right questions. When you tailor your services to meet their specific needs, they will feel valued and satisfied. So ensure you ask at the end of a project or a sale how it went and how you can improve. For me, it is to ask what worked, what didn't work, how can we improve? Also, go beyond what is expected. This could mean delivering a project ahead of schedule, adding a little extra to your service, or simply providing exceptional customer support. Little surprises and going the extra mile make a big difference. Finally, for this one, maintain a high standard of quality in everything you do. Consistency builds trust and reliability, which are crucial for word-of-mouth referrals. Number two, ask for referrals. Do not be shy about asking for referrals. Ask for referrals at the beginning of the relationship. Participants in my study said they ask at the beginning, then followed up at the end to see if the client is still okay to refer the business, product, or service. For example, at the start, ask, if you are happy with our service, are you okay to refer us? Ask for referrals in person. Follow up via email, through social media, phone calls, or even in your newsletters. The more opportunities you give clients to refer others, the more they likely are to do so. A general marketing rule is repetition to get the client to see and remember to take action. Referral is a marketing tool. Number three, make it easy. Simplify the referral process for your clients. Provide physical or digital referral cards that clients can easily hand out or share. Another is to create a shareable link that clients can send to their contacts. This link could lead to a special landing page on your website designed for referrals. Offer a simple script or talking point that clients can use when referring someone to your business. This takes the guesswork out of what they should say. Remind. They will not remember the first few times. They will miss your messages. It is in your best interest to ensure they see it. For all marketing messages, individuals must see it over and over again to take action. So remind. Number 4, offer incentives. Some clients may like you and are willing to refer your business for free, but you should consider offering incentives for referrals to motivate your clients. Offer a discount on future services for every successful referral. Give referring clients access to exclusive benefits, such as early access to new products, special events, or additional services. Gratitude is a must, so always express your gratitude. Send a handwritten thank you note or a personalized email to the client who referred someone to you. Personal touches make a big impact. Publicly recognize clients who refer others with their permission, of course. This could be through a shout out on social media, a mention in your newsletter, or a small feature on your website. Finally, for this section, track and improve. Keep track of your referrals and continuously improve the process. Use a referral tracking system or software to monitor who is referring clients and the success rate of those referrals. Regularly analyze the data to see which clients are the most active referrers and what incentives are most effective. Gather feedback from your clients about the referral process and any improvements they suggest. Then adjust your strategies based on the data. If certain approaches or incentives are not working, be flexible and try new tactics. I have given you the how. Now here are the whys, which are advantages of client-focused referrals and impacts on success and profitability. Let us talk about why client-focused referrals are so advantageous. Number 1, trust and credibility. Referrals from satisfied clients come with a built-in level of trust and credibility. When a client hears about your business from someone they trust, they are more likely to choose you over a competitor. This is because personal recommendations carry a lot of weight. They cut through the noise of advertising and provide a reliable source of information. People trust the opinions of friends, family, and colleagues more than they trust advertisements. This trust and credibility can significantly shorten the sales cycle as potential clients come pre-sold on your business. Number 2, cost-effective marketing. Word-of-mouth referrals are essentially free marketing. Instead of spending large amounts on advertising, you are leveraging your existing client base to bring in new business. This can save your business substantial amounts of money that can be reallocated to other areas such as improving your services, developing new products, or even expanding your team. Additionally, because these referrals are so effective, you get a higher return on investment compared to traditional advertising methods. Number 3, higher conversion rates. Referred clients are more likely to convert into paying customers because they come with a positive recommendation. This means you will likely see higher conversion rates and more successful sales. Since the referred clients already have a certain level of trust and confidence in your business, they are more inclined to move forward with their purchasing decisions quickly. This not only increases your conversion rates, but also enhances the efficiency of your sales process, allowing you to close deals faster and with less effort. Number 4, long-term relationships. Clients who come through referrals often start with a higher level of trust and loyalty. This can lead to long-term relationships and repeat business, which is vital for sustained growth and profitability. When clients are referred to your business, they are more likely to stick around because they feel a personal connection through the person who referred them. This loyalty can translate into consistent revenue streams, as these clients are more likely to return for future purchases and recommend your business to others, perpetuating the cycle of referrals. Isn't that neat? Number 5 and final under advantages is improved client retention. Referred clients often have a clear understanding of your value proposition from the outset, as it has been explained to them by someone they trust. This means they are less likely to leave, as they already have a strong belief in the benefits your business provides. This improved client retention contributes to a stable and predictable business model, allowing you to plan and grow more effectively. The second part of why you should use a client-focused word-of-mouth referral system is the impact to success and profitability. Implementing a client-focused word-of-mouth referral system as a marketing tool can have a direct impact on your business's success and profitability. A strong referral process ensures a steady stream of new clients coming through your doors, helping to maintain and grow your client base. Second, with more clients coming from referrals, you can now reduce your marketing budget and allocate those resources to other areas of your business. Third, more clients mean more revenue. As your client base grows, so does your potential for increased sales and profitability. Finally, a business that thrives on referrals often enjoys a stellar reputation. Happy clients spreading the word about your business can drastically enhance your reputation in the market. We have reached the end of our episode, but I want to challenge you to take action now. Here are a few steps you can take right now to start building your client-focused word-of-mouth referral system or process. Identify your most satisfied clients and reach out to them for referrals today. Create referral materials such as digital cards or shareable links to make it easy for clients to refer others. Communicate clearly. Implement an incentive program to reward clients for successful referrals. Remember, the key to a successful referral process is consistency. Keep delivering outstanding service, ask for referrals regularly, and always show appreciation. By doing this, you will build a strong referral system that will drive growth and profitability for your business. Thank you for tuning in to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not already done so, click the notification button for twice weekly content. We post on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences on client-focused word-of-mouth referrals, please leave a comment below or email us. Your input helps us to make better content for you and others. Your feedback and insights are always welcome. Also, what topics would you like me to discuss in the future? How can I help you? Epigram Consulting Services offers business coaching, strategy consulting, marketing solutions, and much more. You can always contact us if you need more practical solutions for your business. See our website details in the description below and in our bio. We're also on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for staying with me. Continue creating your business masterpiece.